Good morning, children. How are you all? Myself, Divya Miss. Today in Maths, we will learn comparing numbers on page number 29. Open it, children. Comparing numbers. We have three signs to compare numbers: is equal to, greater than, and less than. First, we will learn equal to. Equal. Children, look at here. There are 6 balls in one group and there are 6 triangles in another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 balls and 6 triangles. Since they are same in number, we write 6 balls is equal 6 triangles. The sign is equal to denotes the same number of objects or things on both sides of it. It is read as equal to. Children, this sign is read as equal to. This sign is read as equal to. 3 is equal 3. 15 is equal 15. 27 is equal 27. More and less. Children, now you understand very well is equal to. Now more and less. More means greater. Children, greater, that means bigger. We use this sign to denote more numbers of objects and read it as greater than. Children, this sign is read as greater than. Now children, remember in your mind, this sign is read as greater than. Open side of this has bigger number. Open side. This one is the open side. So, it will have bigger number. Now, children, observe this. There are 5 flowers. Here is a 3 flowers and there is a 1 flower. 5 is greater than 3. And 3 is greater than 1. Here, 5 flowers are more than 3 flowers. 5 flowers are more than 3 flowers. Hence, 5 is greater than 3. Or 5 is greater than 3. 3 flowers are more than 1 flower. Hence, 3 is greater than 1 or 3 is greater than 1. Children, now you will have a little bit clearance of greater than. Let's turn the page. Less means fewer. We use this sign to denote less numbers of objects and read it as less than. Children, remember, this sign is read as less than. Closed sign of this has smaller number. A 1-digit number is always less than a 2-digit number. For example, 3 is less than 13 and 7 is less than 21, etc. Children, don't forget this. There is only 1 digit. 3 is only 1 digit and here there are 2 digits, 1 and 3, 13. So, 2-digit numbers are always greater than 1-digit number. 1-digit number is always less than 2-digit number. look at here. 2 is less than 5 and 5 is less than 9. Here 2 balls are less than 5 balls. Hence 2 less than 5 or 2 is less than 5. 5 balls are less than 9 balls. Hence 5 is less than 9 or 5 is less than 9. Children, till then we compared one digit number. Look at here. 5 is less than 9. 5 is one digit number. 9 is also a one digit number. Now we will learn how to compare two digit numbers. Comparison of two digit numbers. We compares numbers by comparing their tens and ones digits. To compare two digit numbers 10 to 99, we follow these steps. Children, step 1. Compare the digits of tens place. The number with greater tens digit is larger. Children, in two digit number, first we will compare one digit, first digit, that is tens place. If tens digits are equal, compare the digits at ones place. The number with greater ones digit is larger. So children, let's see how to do that. Let us compare 34 and 28. 34 and 28, they both are two digit numbers. So 34. Here, if we expand the number 3 tens and 4 ones. So 34 and 2 tens and 8 ones, 28. So first we will compare tens place. So 3 tens and here is a 2 tens. Now you can understand very easily that 10 tens are greater than 2 tens. So 34 is greater than 28. Now let's see another number. To clear it, let us compare 23 and 25. Children, again look at here. There are two digit numbers 23 and 25. In 23 there are 2 tens and 3 ones. And in 25 2 tens and 5 ones. Here 2 tens and 2 tens. First digit 2 tens and 2 tens, both are same. So we will check out ones place. So here there are 3 ones and here 5 ones. 3 ones and 5 ones. So 5 ones is bigger than 3 ones. So 23 is less than 25. 2 tens is equal. So we will check ones place. 3 ones and 5 ones. So 5 ones is bigger. So 25 is bigger and 23 is fewer number. Very good, children.